Head on over to the homepage of youtube.com. At the top right, click on your profile picture. Select your channel. From here, you'll want to click on Customize Channel. It'll open up a new tab, depending on how your web browser functions. Make sure under Channel Customization that it's under Layout. Click on Add Section. Scroll all the way to the bottom where it says Featured Channels. From here, you can call it whatever you want. My Other Channels, if you want to help promote something else you've got going on the side. Then you type in the name of the channel you want. There's my main one. There's my other one I just made as a joke. So you would click on that. You can add other channels, of course. There's not really any limits as far as I know. Click on Done. Now it'll show it at the bottom here. You can technically grab that and drag it wherever you want under your featured section. Make sure you click on Publish at the top right. Now that we've published it, I'm going to go back to this tab. Never mind him. This is how it used to look like. I got my cringe comedy at the top, my uploads, my creative playlists, and this is all we have. I'm going to refresh the page. And now you'll notice at the bottom, I have my other channels. And again, if you felt the need to have that promoted closer to the top, you would just drag it like I showed you. Now, when it comes to doing it on a mobile, like an Android phone or an iPhone, I highly suggest, so that it works, that you download the Chrome browser from the App Store. Once you visit youtube.com, you'll notice the 3 dots at the bottom right here. Click on that. What you'll end up having is a little pop-up. Scroll all the way near the bottom to where it says Request Desktop Site. Once you've done that, repeat all the same steps of clicking on your profile picture, going to your channel, clicking on Customize Channel. And there you have it. Unlike some people that take a minute and a half to start the video, I'm pretty much done in the same amount of time. If you liked the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. It greatly helps support the channel with the algorithm and making me a little bit more relevant in search results when people are looking shit up online. If you didn't like the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs down. Not only will I break it off in your ass, I'll make sure you lose all your subscribers and they all come to me. If you want to subscribe, I mean, naturally, that would be great. But if not, thanks for stopping by anyways. Take care, and perhaps I shall see some of you in the next video. Bye for now.